I don't normally like commercial parodies, but that's a whole new way of looking at it. It's fantastic. That's fantastic.
Yeah.
So good.
Yeah, it's great. I have a couple ideas I wouldn't mind tossing out. The first of which is a kind of a mixing of genres. So it's kind of a Glass Menagerie meets David Mamet style. Which,
Sorry, no, I was thinking of the commercial. Like, what? It was what?
it's a kind of a cross. I have another idea. It's you know, there's like a bro phenomenon going on right now where a lot of guys are getting together doing some weird stuff. But I figured if we shot it documentary style, that could do some of the heavy lifting.
Oh, like it's an exploration of the bromance thing?
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty good. There's something there.
Yeah.
There's something there.
Yeah.
Would you mind taking that? The fresh perspective thing is what we need. Do you mind? And Tim, maybe you could partner with him.
Write it together?
I don't know. I just think your combined sensibilities on that idea would be. Is that okay with you? Great. I mean, I think it would be great if you guys worked on it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, we'll give it a shot.
Great. Two good ideas.